Model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 290L2 2.2 TDCi 100ps Low roof van, long MOT. Spares OR repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 174559. MOT, 19 December 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few cranks to start and runs fine but then cuts out. When engine is ruining it idles fine and sounds great, but there is loads of back pressure from the oil dipstick. This could be something simple, but buy it on the basis it needs the engine repairing or replacing and you won't be disappointed. Worth spending the time to get this back to its former glory. Get this back on the road. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear